Alright, dudes and dudettes. It's your boy Modify Life here once again, and you already know. If you watched my last video, y'all see that I did an unboxing right here. That I did an unboxing of my upper control arms and stuff. So, yeah, this is the issue. These right here. Damn, can I even get some exposure in there? This whole arm right there. Thing up top. That right there needs to be changed. I'm gonna show y'all why it needs to be changed because there's some play in it. Now it's got the parts over here. Now we gotta pull them out. These two is what I'll be installing today. These two upper control arms right here. These is all tools got for a glove. You know, all you really need is like a 17, a 14, maybe a 12. But I just have extra tools, you know, to break the control arm loose from the knuckle, just to make the job easier. And I'm going to put it on jack stand so I can have both sides so I can do them at the same time. First step, jack the baby up. Oh, she looking so fly with that lip though. Oh, she's so sexy. Alright, anyway, jack the lip up. I mean, jack the car up. And that's going to be the first step, assuming that you already loosened your lug nuts and take them out. Unless we're loose here. One more. Shouldn't need that either. Take my lock off. Actually, see, I got new ones for this. Crack these bad boys. That one. That one too. And that one. Now that that's off, then you jack that bitch up. But I'm gonna make sure my other side off too. Yeah, those are off. At least the jack staying right there. Got my other stand under there. Damn, this shit rusty. I'm gonna drive this thing in a minute. Damn. But yeah, guys, look. Look at this shit. Look at that. It's fucking clay. This shit was rubbing against my suspension part over here. Like, that shit is weird. You know? Buddy, whatever. Go change just be a happy gamer. And we'll be riding smooth now. We gonna be riding smooth, you feel me? You feel me, boy? You feel me? Alright, we got this shit looking all ready and prepared. It's time to fix these bitches. Look, this shit was coming out too, look. Oh boy. This shit was coming out anyway, son. It's gonna be a straight easy one too, because that's a 17. It's two 17s. And line them up to the fork mode. That shit gonna be an easy drop. Easy motherfucker. Alright, now we got everything set up. Let's go right ahead and get these joints in there. We're gonna get this shit right in there. Alright, so what I'm going ahead and do is I am going to drop this bottom part or this fork right here because I'm also going to install coilovers today. But in order for you to even take these off in the first place, you take these off, you're gonna have to drop this low to clear it. Or you could, you know, fucking unbolt it from the sides, but that's doing too much work. You might as well just do it as one piece. Just drop this low, drop the spring and the strut low, take this over and out, and then you put your coilover in or whatever you need to do. Put this back up, bolt it down, and you'll be alright. It's pretty simple. Alright, so we're gonna get to it. Some of these parts could rust at times, so what I'm gonna do is spray some WD-40 on it. You don't have to if your shit not rusted, but I still recommend using it to penetrate, you know, to penetrate the bolts and stuff. Let it sit for a little bit so it'll be easier for you to take them out. Let's do the same thing to the side. You can see I already did that to the other side already. But yeah, since I'm doing coilovers and upper control arms, gonna be doing them all in one. So like I said before, drop this, take the strut and the disc and the spring out or whatever, and take this down. Then you can put the spring back up, and you put this back over, and you'll be set. And I'll show you how to do that once this thing sits for a couple minutes. Alright, so I just broke this loose. As you see, there's a little space right there. You don't even have to take the whole thing out, just break it loose, loosen it up a little bit. Then you come down here, take this side out, that right there, and the other side right there where this is on, and then this knuckle right here will drop, leaving this up, bolted onto the top of the car. So we're gonna get this shit done. Take that out. Get your camera. It's gonna be hard to do it with one hand, so I'm gonna have to pause this. But basically hit it with your hammer till the other side come out. Well guys, you do need to pull this one all the way out in order for this part to drop. Especially though it's the first time I'm doing this, but you know, it works. And this bitch will drop. Alright, that's that. I'll leave this exposed for us to pull down. Come up top, remove this and this one. These are for the shock and strut assembly, also where the coilovers will go. These are 14s, by the way. You remove those for this boy right here to drop. Then you remove these two right here, one and one little bitch I know in back. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at, bitch? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? There we go, right there. Two. After you remove those, everything will be just. So we're gonna do it. Wow, these are fairly easy to remove. Makes me scared. Well, shouldn't be this easy to fucking remove, but anyway, hey, it is what it is. Then you do the same with this one. I'm doing this by myself. It would be better if you had another person to do it, but I'm kind of doing this by myself one-handed. So this gonna drop like, but yeah, to do that, it's gonna come out. And as you can see, this is about to be out. Yep, this has actually come out. And as you wait through it, now that this is dropped, I took this out. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, take apart this. Well, not apart this, but take this out and screw it. Let this bitch drop, and everything will be good. Remove the cotter pin, then start to take off the gasket nut. It's gonna take some time, so let's get right ahead to it. Once that is removed, gently tap the side of here to make it pop out. We're gonna make it pop out of place. Pop out, gang. And there you have it. Knuckle and this little thing, ball joint. So yeah, now we go up at the top. I'm not gonna just have this swing here. I'm just gonna have this like lean back a bit, hold up against something. And we go at the top, take those out, and we'll be good, G. To get the new parts in, remember these two bolts. Now this right here is about ready to drop. Here you go. Out with the old and in with the new. Look at this versus that. Like, boy, what the fuck? Alright, we're gonna do this one. Alright, I'm just gonna place this up here real quick, and then I gotta go up there and do the thing, so hold on. Alright, so I got it at the top. Now I just need to bolt it down from here, which I've been showing you guys too much of, so I'm gonna just get to it. Look how new shiny parts look. By the way, these are 19s that they gave me, but I still got it, so. Alrighty. Now all that's left is to drop this baby in, you know, drop her where she needs to be, and yeah, we'll be alright. Everything will be nice. So that's that.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now?
And once you have this lined up in here, you bolt down the sides right here. You bolt down the sides, and after you bolt down the sides, you basically be done. That's as far as how you do with the upper control arms. Yeah, next I'll be installing the coilovers, so yeah, keep it tuned. As you see that I'm finally done with this, you'll see me put the coilovers and this more particularly back together in the next video. So I'm out for now. We out, bitches. Yeah.